and every one of you brings with yourself a unique and different perspective on human rights, whether it be through your work with ethnic and religious minorities, with people with disabilities, with indigenous communities, or with LGBTQI+ communities. Your work with these communities, or even your experience as a person from these communities, is valuable in strengthening connections and understandings across boundaries, real and imagined. This is the 8th annual U.S. ASEAN Women's Leadership Academy for YSEALI Regional Workshop. The Academy is a venue for young women leaders to advance their leadership skills and to understand how human capital development and civic engagement can support their work on issues in the region.
But the more we don't talk about sexual harassment in the workplace, psychological harassment in the workplace, burnout, mental health, it becomes then more a problem. We can't talk about it. Yeah, we can, but you have to.
Find and develop stories that speak clearly to the viewer's mind while connecting with the viewer's emotions.
Changing the way treats are being done to activists to keep it silent.
I think that women have played a very important role in advancing gender equality and also the rights for LGBTQ+.
You're the leaders of the future and also the leaders of today. And so we hope that through the connections that you've made with your mentors over the last few months, the connections that you've made as you've been planning really brilliant seed grant projects, and the connections you're going to make this week are going to sustain you not just this week, but actually nourish you for years to come.
Through the Academy, we aim to empower women leaders throughout ASEAN, and we hope to see more leaders in ASEAN tackle regional issues and work together by fostering collaboration and partnerships with other young leaders in the region.
I rise for quality education.
I rise for women migrant workers' rights.
I rise for youth advocacy.
I rise for breaking gender bias in education.
And I rise for an intersectional future.